Hey guys, Doulos here. Today I'm going to show you how to reprogram the key fob on your GM truck. This should work on Tahoes, Avalanches, Escalades, Silverados, Sierras, and anything similar to that from 2007 to 2014. So apparently with 2011 and up models, you might need to go to the dealer. You might need the dealer tool. This is 2009 Chevy Tahoe LTZ. It uses keys with a key fob and a separate key. If your key is different, it might not work, but if the fob is separate, it should be fine. This should also work on other makes and models of cars that have a separate fob. If you have a key and the fob that are part of the same thing, you might need to check online. It depends on how the fob interacts with the key. If it's just a fob that's integrated into the key housing and there's no electronics going through the key or signal going through the key, you should be all right. But usually more expensive cars with laser cut keys, this is not going to work. You probably have to go through the dealer or aka the dealership and spend a lot of money on a key. The key was around $17 or $18. There'll be a link below to where you can find them. When we got the truck a few years ago, it came with this nasty key fob, and I think it only came with this key fob. I don't believe it came with another one. That's sort of what you get when you buy used. But this key fob worked. I think the battery might be dead, or I didn't program it last time. So I went online and found these keys on Amazon. They were between $15 and $20 a piece. They come in different colors as well. This is my wife's with the red. It's practically identical. I think the texture on the plastic is a little different. I don't know if that's just from the wear, but the keys are physically identical, at least on the outside. The key has all the same functions as stock. It has remote start, lock, unlock, lift glass, an entire lift gate, and then the panic alarm. So the reason I'm replacing the one today is that for some reason I've dropped my keys a lot this year, and the key has actually come apart quite easily. So when I drop it, the internal electronics fall out, and you see you've got the electronic, the battery, and then the rubber and the external case. So it still works fine. It tends to fall apart, and it used to hold together a little better, but the last time I dropped it, it broke a little more. And I just don't want to be out and about and have this actually fall apart and somehow actually lose the internals and then have a trouble with the car for any reason. So as you can see, the new key comes with a key ring, a key fob, and it has instructions with it as well. Just a word of warning as well, you're going to want to have all the keys on you. When you do this process, it's going to erase any keys that are on there, and you're going to want to reprogram them all at the same time. First thing you want to do is put the key into ignition and turn it to accessory power, but do not crank the engine. Next, press the info button until the relearn remote key is displayed. Then press the check mark to enter into remote key learning. Now, if your vehicle has memory positions like this one does, you want to do the keys in the same order of the memory positions. For here, my wife is number 1 and I'm number 2, so I'm going to program her key first. With the first key, press and hold lock and unlock at the same time until the vehicle beeps. When it beeps, that key is programmed. When you're done programming all the keys, simply turn the ignition off and remove the key. Alright, so let's verify the key works. Yep. Unlocks, mirror adjusts, seat moves to second position. Try locking it. Good to go. Remote start. Sometimes remote start doesn't work if you just locked it. There we go. Turn it off. Turn it off. Alright, let's try the lift glass. Yep. And the rear hatch. There it goes. Alright guys, hope this helped. Thanks for watching. Please like, favorite, subscribe, all that good stuff. May God bless you and keep standing up for what's right.